Hey there! Let's use Figma Draw to create this fun illustration featuring two oranges. Select the ellipse tool and create a 100 by 100 ellipse. Then change its fill to light orange. Duplicate the ellipse and resize it to 80 by 80 and change its fill to a medium orange. Hover over the ellipse until the arc handle appears, then drag the handle to change the sweep to 15%. Click Radial Repeat in the right sidebar to add the rest of the slices. Set the count to 7 and the gap to 0.1 units. Then select the original layer inside the transform group. Rotate it 120 degrees and change its corner radius to 2. Because the ellipse is inside a transform group, any changes you make to the original layer apply to the whole group. Next, create a 10 by 10 ellipse and change its fill to white.
Select all three layers, align their horizontal and vertical centers, then flatten the selection to merge the layers into one. Change the flattened layer's height to 55 to help create the sliced effect. Now for the peel, create another 100 by 100 ellipse and change its fill to a dark orange. Right-click on the peel and select Send to Back. Then align both layers horizontally and vertically.
Select the peel and press Enter to open Vector Edit mode.
Use the Pen tool to connect the left and right points of the ellipse.
Then select the Shape Builder tool and hover over the top region of the shape until it's highlighted. Hold the modifier key and click to remove the region. Then press Enter to exit Vector Edit mode. Group both layers together and rotate the group -30 degrees. Next, we'll use an inner shadow to give the orange some depth. Set the X position to 4, the Y position to 8, and the blur to 0. Then open the Blend Mode menu and select Overlay. The sliced orange looks great. Let's set it aside and create the full orange. Add another 100 by 100 ellipse to the canvas and change the fill to the same dark orange you used for the peel. Apply a similar inner shadow, but with the X position at 20 and the Y position at -20 to create a nice rounded appearance. Don't forget to add the blend mode. Send the full orange layer to the back of the layer order, then position it slightly behind the sliced orange on the canvas and group them together. Select the group and apply a texture effect. Set the size to 2.5 and the radius to 0.8 to give it a subtle hand-drawn look. For the final touch, we'll use text on a path to add some curvy copy. Duplicate the full orange and resize it to 120 by 120 using the Scale tool. Select the Text tool and hover over the edge of the ellipse until you see the text on a path icon appear. Click to add a new text layer and start typing. Set the font weight to bold and size it up to 16. And there you go, a zesty illustration created in just a few minutes using Figma Draw. Be sure to subscribe for more fun tutorials.